The great forest is full of trees and vines. Two branches of two nearby trees brushed against each other for a long time. Suddenly, it sparked a fire, a wildfire. The trees nearby burned up. The fire spread for miles. In every direction, the fire spread to trees burned and turned into ash. The trees that grew too close together cause fire. The wind helps to set fire and spread fire. Rain helps to extinguish fire. People who live too close together also get into conflict. Just like the wind takes charge to cause wildfires, there are invisible thoughts that cause conflict between people living together. When such a conflict escalates, families are divided, villages are divided, and even war are started. It's like wildfire in a big forest. Wildfires blows out by the cool rain. Conflicts also need to rain of cool and good thoughts to blow out.